Today we're diving into the world of website analytics with a face-off between two giants, Hotjar and Google Analytics. Both are pivotal tools commonly used for understanding user behavior and optimizing online experiences. We'll scrutinize 5 key variables: features, pricing structure, user experience, pros and cons, and possible alternatives. Let's briefly check out these tools' main features. Hotjar features include heat maps. Hotjar provides visual heat maps that display user interactions on your website, highlighting areas of high and low engagement. Session recordings. Hotjar allows you to watch session recordings, providing a detailed playback of user journeys. This feature aids in identifying friction points and areas for improvement. Surveys and feedback. With Hotjar, you can gather direct insights from your audience through surveys and feedback forms, helping you understand user sentiments and preferences. Conversion funnels. Hotjar's conversion funnels feature allows you to track the success of specific user paths, helping you identify where users drop off in the conversion process. Google Analytics features include event-based data collection. Google Analytics adopts an event-based data collection approach, providing a comprehensive understanding of customer journeys across various touchpoints, both on websites and apps. Audiences report. The Audiences report in Google Analytics enables the identification of engaged and profitable audience segments, facilitating targeted marketing efforts. Integration with Google ecosystem. Google Analytics seamlessly integrates with the broader Google ecosystem, allowing for collaboration and data sharing across various Google platforms, enhancing overall workflow and efficiency. Privacy controls. Google Analytics emphasizes user privacy with enhanced privacy controls, ensuring responsible and compliant data handling. The pricing structures of Hotjar and Google Analytics differ significantly. Hotjar offers a free plan with limited features, and its paid plans start at $39 per month for the Plus plan, $99 per month for the Business plan, and custom pricing for the Agency Enterprise plan, catering to different businesses' needs. On the other hand, Google Analytics also provides a free version, but its premium service, Google Analytics 360, comes with an enterprise-level price tag, reportedly costing around $150,000 per year for Universal Analytics and around $50,000 per year for GA4, Google Analytics' newest version. The substantial price disparity reflects the varied functionalities and target audiences of these analytics tools. Hotjar's user experience focuses on visualizing user behavior through features like heat maps, session recordings, and feedback polls, providing an in-depth understanding of user interactions and motivations. In contrast, Google Analytics primarily offers insights into visitor demographics and actions, emphasizing the what rather than the why in user behavior. This actually makes Hotjar a valuable complement to Google Analytics for a more comprehensive understanding of online user engagement. Hotjar and Google Analytics offer distinct advantages and limitations in web analytics. Hotjar excels in visualizing user behavior through features like heat maps, session recordings, and feedback polls, providing valuable insights into user interactions and motivation. However, it focuses less on demographic data and may have limited depth in quantitative analysis. On the other hand, Google Analytics provides comprehensive quantitative data, emphasizing visitor demographics and actions, but may lack visual depth and qualitative insights offered by Hotjar. Combining both tools can create a synergistic approach, addressing each platform's strengths and weaknesses in a more holistic understanding of online user management. Several alternatives to Hotjar and Google Analytics cater to diverse analytics needs. Popular options include Fathom Analytics, Piwik Pro, and Clarity as alternatives to Google Analytics, while Full Story, MouseFlow, and SmartLook serve as alternatives to Hotjar, offering a variety of features such as session recordings, heat maps, and user behavior tracking. In conclusion, determining which tool is better depends on your specific requirements. Hotjar excels in visual insights and affordability, while Google Analytics integrates extremely well in the Google Suite. Sign up for Hotjar and Google Analytics through the links in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and check out our other videos for more easy internet tips. Thank you.